good afternoon. So talking about Rydberg. See, remember Rydberg gave a formula to calculate or predict the wavelength when an electron jumps from one orbit to another, right? So it tells you what is going to be the wavelength using the Rydberg formula. Now this formula has to be adjusted if it's a non-hydrogen atom. Okay, so instead of just R on the right hand side, what you have to do is to introduce Z square also. So you introduce a Z square and you adjust this for different element other than hydrogen. This numerical is expected. You can expect a numerical that asks you how to calculate the wavelength using the Balmer formula. Balmer gave this empirical formula and it uses R and Z square. Thank you.